Hi there. In this lesson, you are going to learn about the mathematical reasoning. In this section, you are going to learn about the different type of reasoning, especially the deductive reasoning. So let's begin. Types of reasoning. There are two types of reasoning. The first type is inductive reasoning that provides strong evidence for the conclusion. Type 2. Type 2 is known as deductive reasoning. Opposite to the inductive reasoning, it uses more than one statement to prove the conclusion. In other words, we can say that inductive reasonings are the statements that provide the evidence for the conclusion in their own statements. But deductive reasoning needs more than one statement to prove and find the conclusion. Deductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning involves mathematical statements. The mathematical sentences are called statements if they are either true or false, but not both. Mathematical statements are represented by P, Q, or etc. In other words, we can say that mathematical sentences are known as statements and they can be either positive or negative. They cannot be both positive and negative at the same time. Now let's consider an example. So the example is P says that there are 6 days in a week. So the statement says that P is a statement which says that there are 6 days in a week. So the explanation for this one is, as we know there are 7 days in a week, so it's a false that there are 6 days in a week. So basically P is not a correct statement. It's a false statement. So sentence P is a statement and it's false. Now let's consider another example. The statement Q says that Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. So the explanation is, as we know that Lucknow is one of the cities of Uttar Pradesh and also the capital of Uttar Pradesh. So the sentence Q is true and it's also a statement. In other words, we can say that Lucknow is one of the cities of the Uttar Pradesh and it's also capital as well. So it's a true statement.